bottle until it get hollow.
Just got the exhaust on, or just getting the car back now. We're gonna get V's reaction here in a little bit, but I just want you guys to take a look at this, what you can see underneath the car there. I hope you can see it there. I'm about to make sure you guys can. AWE baby, track exhaust. So this thing's gonna sound loud as heck. So if you look right here, you can kind of see the brand new pipe. Kind of don't like these square tips, but AMG problems. Definitely sounds nice though. So we're gonna get V's reaction here in a little bit. All right, let's do it. Oh, damn! It's definitely yeah. So we're gonna do a review here in a little bit of the exhaust, but it definitely sounds a lot meaner than before. And he might be going down pipes in stage 2 soon. The thunder. All right, everybody, we're here at Supermax. I got the owner right here. I'm gonna ask him, he's gonna introduce himself and just give us a few words of what he does here.
What's up, guys? My name's JR. We work over here at Supermax on 6230 West North Avenue. We do everything from regular maintenance on cars to exhaust work like this, as you see. I drive a 2016 AMG GTS, so
AMG boys.
Yeah, definitely AMG boys.
So thank you again. He
Yeah,
installed my exhaust too, and as you see, he just installed V's exhaust. But come over here, they do great work, and just check them out. All right.
Cool.
But thank you so much.
Brother.
Appreciate it.
Anytime, man.
Yep.
Thank you so much. I'll see you again.
We're about to head over.
If you want to see underneath, let me know.
Yeah, we will. Thank you. Appreciate it. What is up, everybody? I'm back with the meme stash today. Don't know how long it'll go, but saw Adam LZ's video and I was like, screw it, why not get a mustache? So we're gonna go ahead and do the exhaust clips for for V's AMG with the AWE track setup. So right now we're gonna go ahead and get a cold start for you guys. Go ahead, V, with the cold start. So it sounds good, but he's actually gonna let me drive it and we're gonna do some rips, and then I'll put the GoPro so you can hear that, and it'll kind of be like a little mini first impressions. All right, so here we go. All right, going for the drive. We have the GoPro. We're about to crank it on here, so that's recording. We're in drive now. How are you putting it in manual mode, V? You can say it. That's it, right? Okay, we're in manual mode now. Here we go. Wish us luck. We're doing like a little first impressions on these exhausts right quick. Overall, how do you feel about the exhaust?
Yeah, it's louder than before.
Definitely. I mean, that's the point of the exhaust.
It's gonna sound better with the down pipes.
Down pipes coming soon.
Nobody's at.
Yeah, I hope not. The only reason we're up here is for work. But the pops are a lot better, a lot louder. Definitely, you can hear that. But
It's more deep.
low left.
Export's 24 hours out.
The gym, yeah. Thing picks up and goes. You get those little pops on D-cell. Pretty cool.
If I had the intakes, you'll hear it too, right?
Yeah, you should be able to.
It'll be better.
It just depends what brand and how it is, but for the most part, yeah, you should be able to hear it. Oh, bunny. cool. So V says that it's definitely noticeably louder, and I definitely hear it on when we did a few pulls, which you'll see, which you probably saw in the last video of the Car Haven show, that we did a few pulls and brake. So we did a few pulls after the Car Haven car show, and you can definitely hear like explosions coming from his car. So once he gets the downpipes on this thing, it's gonna be like a whole different beast. This one is more even. But we're just gonna do a few drive-bys and that's it, and a little bit more GoPro. But you guys already know what to do. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Res M3 out. Sheesh. Good.
Saw that?
Yeah.
So I really gotta, you're right, I gotta adjust my steering wheel up because I couldn't see it.
Can't see the shift lights.
Yeah.
Turn the light on inside right quick. So V, what are your first impressions on your new steering wheel?
My new steering wheel?
Or your new freaking exhaust? My
I like
bad.
it, man.
I'm
I like
tired.
it. AWE, you know, never disappoints. So I'm even gonna make it better. So I really like it.
So stay tuned. Sorry they can't see you because it's hella dark in there,
Yeah.
but stay tuned. It's gonna big things coming overall. So hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for next week's video. All right, out. 40 row AMG C63. V needs to get on the Rentec or something. DME. What? Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Res out.